In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter on Google Meet. More than ever, video calls have become an integral part of our daily lives. Whether for business meetings, online classes, or catching up with friends and family, having the option to add a filter can bring a bit of creativity and fun to your virtual presence. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're able to add a filter to your Google Meet session seamlessly. First, let's start by heading over to Google Calendar. You can access this simply by typing Google Calendar in your browser's search bar and selecting the right link. Once you're in Google Calendar, look for the specific meeting event you want to join. This could be any scheduled video call that includes a Google Meet link. After you find your meeting event, go ahead and click on it. This should bring up a window with all the details of your event, date, time, and most importantly, the option to join via Google Meet. Now select Join with Google Meet. Doing this will take you to the Google Meet page where you'll probably need to wait a moment for everything to load. Once you're on the Google Meet page, you'll notice the Join Now button. Click on that and you're officially in the meeting. But hang tight, we haven't added that filter just yet. Look for the option labeled More Options, which is often represented by 3 dots or lines. Click on that. A menu will pop up, and from here, you need to select Visual Effects. This is where the magic starts to happen. By choosing Visual Effects, you've opened a whole new range of creative possibilities for your meeting. The next step is to focus on the Filters option. Click on Filters, and you'll see a variety of choices right in front of you. Whether you want something subtle, like a soft glow, or something bold and fun, like a cartoon face, there's likely a filter that matches your mood for the meeting. Once you've browsed through the selection and found a filter that you like, all you need to do is click on it. The effect will immediately apply, and you can see how it looks. Feel free to experiment with different filters until you find one that suits you perfectly for this particular meeting. That's it. You've successfully added a filter to your Google Meet session, making your video call not only more visually appealing, but also a bit more personalized. Now you can continue with your meeting with a new flair. If you ever want to change or remove the filter, just visit the same Visual Effects section and make your adjustments. Adding a filter to your Google Meet is that simple, bringing a touch of personalization to your online interactions. Happy meeting!